Good morning, children. Children, today we will discuss question number 3 of exercise 5.1 of chapter number 5, data handling. Let us see what is the third question. Yes, see, this is exercise 5.1 and question number 3 is the weekly wages in rupees of 30 workers in a factories are 830, 835, 890, 810, 835, 836, 869, 845, 898, 890, 820, 860, 832, 833, 855, 845, 804, 808, 812, 840, 885, 835, 835, 836, 878, 840, 868, 890, 806 and 840. So as per the question, using tally marks, you have to make a frequency distribution table with interval. Here you have to make the class interval as 800 to 810, 810 to 820, 820 to 830, 830 to 840 and so on. So let us see the frequency distribution table of these questions. See, the total number of workers working in a factory are 30. These all are their wages. So let us see. First of all, see this exercise for solution of exercise 5.1 of exercise of question number 3. Let's see, I had already made the class interval like 800 to 810, 810 to 820, 820, 830, 830, 840, 840 to 850, 850 to 860, 860 to 870, 870 to 880, 880 to 890. So for answering such type of question, you have to make first a table containing 3 columns. In first column you have to write class interval, in second column you have to write tally marks, and in last, that is in third column, you have to mention frequency. अब बच्चों आपको देखना है क्लास इंटरवल 800 to 810. So how many workers are there whose wages lies between 800 to 810? 800 से 810 के बीच वेग्स कितने वर्कर्स का है, तो हम काउंट करेंगे. सो ये देखिए 810, तो 810 को हम 800 to 810 के क्लास इंटरवल में नहीं रखेंगे. क्लास इंटरवल में कौन सा वेग्स आएगा? जिसका वेजेस 810 से लेस हो, मीन्स which waves come, the waves which lies between 800 to 810, 8 just below 810. तो इसको हम काउंट नहीं करेंगे. फिर हम किसको काउंट करेंगे? सी 804 1, 808 2, here 806 3. So what will be the tally marks for this class interval? It will be 3. So let us make it this. Okay, 3. Very good. Similarly, in frequency column you have to write 3. Okay. Now see how many wages are there, how many workers are there, you may say, whose wages lies between 810 to 820. See, 820 means less than 820. So 810, 1, 1, then 812, 2, 2, yes, only 2 wages are there, so you have to write 2 in tally marks, and again 2 is in frequency distribution table. Okay. Similarly, you have to write how many workers are there whose wages lies between 820 to 830. So let us see 820 to 830. 820 to 830 means less than 830. So less than 830, 820 to 830. So you have to count this 820, 820, 820, 820. So there is only 1. So let us write down 1. Okay. This is 1. Here you have to write 1. Okay. Now similarly, number of workers lies whose wages lies between 830 to 840, 830 to 840, 830, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. So there are 9 workers. So for tally marks you have to write first 5, first 5, okay, and then 4. So this will be 9. Similarly, between 840 to 850, 840 to 850, 840 to 850, 1, 2, 2, then 3, then 4. So here it will be 4, and here the tally mark it will also be 4. Okay. Now in between 850 to 860, 850 to 860, 850, 850 to 860. इसको नहीं काउंट करेंगे, 860 नहीं लेंगे. 850, 855, 1, 6, So children, this is how we can complete this frequency distribution table of question number 3 of exercise 5.1. इस तरह से आपको कंप्लीट करना है। आई होप आप सभी लोगों को समझ आ गया होगा। अगली क्लास में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।